In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim audio in Soundtrap. To get started, head over to soundtrap.com, sign into your account, and if you have more than one workspace, choose the one you want to work in. Once you're in, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one that already has the audio you want to edit. Give the project a moment to load fully. This ensures your tracks, waveforms, and tools are all ready to respond smoothly. Inside your project, locate the audio clip you want to trim on the timeline and click it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when the clip is highlighted. Selecting the right clip is important because trimming only affects the clip you've clicked, not the entire track. Now for the trimming itself. Move your cursor to the very beginning or the very end of the selected clip. As you hover near an edge, your cursor will change into a double-sided arrow pointing left and right. That's your signal that trimming is available. Click and hold, then drag the edge inward to the exact spot where you want the audio to start or end. Release the mouse when you've reached your chosen point, and that's it. The clip is trimmed. Dragging the left edge shortens the start so your audio begins later, while dragging the right edge shortens the end so it finishes sooner. A helpful note here: trimming in Soundtrap is non-destructive. That means you're not permanently deleting the audio beyond the edge, you're just hiding it. If you change your mind, you can always drag the edge back out to reveal more of the original recording. This makes it easy to fine-tune your edit without worry. For accuracy, try placing the playhead near the spot you want, listen to a quick preview, and then trim to match what you hear. If you're making precise edits around breaths or clicks, zooming in on the timeline can make it easier to see the waveform and drop the edge exactly where you want it. After trimming, press play to confirm the start and end feel clean and natural. If it's a little off, simply drag the edge again until it sounds right. And that's all you need to trim audio in Soundtrap. Open your project, select your clip, hover near an edge until the double arrow appears, and drag to set your new start or end. Quick, simple, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, tighter audio edits.